a jungle far, far away, hunters one day came to play. Plan was to catch Ellie and Shamu. Ellie was pretty, Shamu was fat too. Hunters had guns and were very strong. Poor animals had nowhere to run. Tuk Tuk the monkey was friends with the fishes. A rescue team was ready in minutes. Fishes made an international call. Bory birds came. Some were big, some were small. Down they came in millions and tons. Hit all the men and took their guns. Hunters ran to save their lives. Ellie and Shamu became husband and wife.
One wall could lead to many stories. Send us the story your little one sees, and you could win some exciting gifts and a free wall makeover. Asian Paints Kids World presents Wall Tales.